Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about how to prepare for a coding interview as a network engineer or developer. First, congratulations to you. You have just made one step closer to your dream job. It's not even easy to get selected for interview, let alone passing the first technical phone round. Now, the next round really comes as a challenge to you if you are not a developer or coder who do coding on a day-to-day basis. But don't worry, I have got some useful tips for you for your preparation. Hopefully, by the end of the video, you will get an idea on what the expectation would be from the interviewer perspective. Let's get started. First, pick your language. In this video, I'm going to pick Python as it is easier to get on comparing to others. You may have your preference of languages. It does not really matter on what language you use. The interviewer will adjust it according to your needs. My recommendation would be if you are new to coding, stay with Python. Second, the context. Unless you are interviewing as a hardcore software engineer, it is unlikely that the coding question will be computer science based or LeetCode style, if you know what I'm talking about. Basically, what I'm trying to say is that since you are being interviewed as a network engineer or network developer position, your questions would be based on the actual day-to-day network automation and monitoring. For example, if I give you a list of host names, can you return a list of resolved IP addresses? Or it can be extended to add a duplication removal, something really basic like that in reflection to the real work you will perform in the operation. Third, the basic. This includes data structures such as list or array, hashing, hash map or dictionary, stack or queue, heap or priority queue, and others such as string manipulation, string slicing, regular expression, input and output, and concurrency. Like I said before, since your questions are mostly network automation based, these basic are the must. You really need to have a strong understanding on it. A very common use case would be, let's say you are given a list of interface stack captures of a network device. Each interface list item would include its utilization, error, IP addresses, and other details. Can you give me the top 10 interfaces based on its utilization? Just something like that along the way. Also, you will need to practice on the string manipulation and the file input and output. You may wonder why. As a network dev, you can't avoid passing network output from when the CLI output, just like you would do with when the CLI pipelining. Having a good hand-on with this would definitely help you to work around a lot of issue on your automation workflow. To improve the efficiency, you will be very likely to ask how. That is the concurrency coming to rescue. I will recommend you to do some research on that if you are not familiar. Last but not least, if you have enough time to prepare, I will recommend you to read up algorithms like sorting and recursion. They are very useful when you would do computation tasks such as parsing network devices neighbors, device searching based on a sorted output, something like that. For hand-on practices, you can get onto LeetCode to find those topic match questions for free. Also, if Python is your preferred languages, I will recommend this library for you. For instance, the collection library. It has a lot of useful features such as counters, default dig, or dequeue. HipQ is a Python priority queue implementation which help you to do quicker search than linear search. Bisect is a library that allows data insertion while maintaining order. Lastly, Request, which is a very popular library for network input-output. you will need that a lot to do external API querying. So that's it. That's all I have for this video. Hopefully, it will give you some pointers in terms of what to prepare and what the expectation might be. For your references, I have also included a link to a free Python ebook, which I would highly recommend. So do check it out. Thanks for watching. Let me know how you do your preparation. If you have any question, please leave it to the comment section. And good luck. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.